Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a detailed review about Hershey's Kisses cookie and creme along with Hershey's Kisses milk chocolate. The cost of both the products is 50 rupees and it comes with attractive covers. Both the products are vegetarian products. If you take the ingredients, common ingredients are milk solids, cocoa butter, cocoa solids and emulsifiers, and it contains added artificial flavoring substance, and the only difference will be there will be added cookies in cookie and creme. The nutritional information in both the packets are more or less similar. It is recommended to store it below 22 degrees Celsius. The date of expiry comes with 12 months from packing.
Now let's cut the pack.
Hershey's cookie and creme is wrapped with blue color wrappers and milk chocolate with yellow color wrappers. Now we are trying to unwrap it one by one. So unwrapping looks very easy because of the tag, Kisses tag. When we pull it, we can easily open it, and the same applies for the Hershey's cookie and creme. We are pulling the Kisses tag and it is very easy to remove. You can see it, the cone, little cone. The sizes are more or less similar, only the color and the flavor is the difference. We get the rusty crumbs of the cookie along with the creamy white chocolate. I tasted this piece and it was a balance of milk, sugar and chocolate. Moreover, it was very smooth. There are no disturbances such as nuts, rice balls. Even though the size of the kisses are very small, it gives a delightful feeling. Kisses is a must try, and do share your comments in the comment section below. Hershey's cookie and creme or milk chocolate? What's your choice? Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please feel free to hit the subscribe button to get more updates.